Yan, good morning mga kabibi riders. Pasok ngayon tayo sa trabaho. Time check, alas 4. Kung naririnig niyo yung noise, hindi ako mabilis. Mahangin lang talaga dito sa Quezon Hill ngayon. Reno, Baguio, maabot na 9.8 degrees na ngayon temperature. Hangin pa ng ganito. Grabe lamig. Makapal na nga jacket ko eh. Hirap gumalaw, nakakatamad pumasok, pero kailangan. Medyo late pa ako. Usually maaga akong pupunta sa office eh. Pero lamig nga, grabe. Oh, dinig yung wind noise. 30 lang takbo ko, dapat hindi ganyan yung wind noise niya. Sadyang malakas ng tagang hangin ngayon. Tatapos na ang January. February nga kami nag-expect na malamig talaga eh, so ayan na nga. Wala pa akong 2 minutes na nagra-ride. Natagos na ang aking damit, makapal na matagos na lamig. Ano pa kaya pag nasa Mount Pulag yan? Sus. Freezing temperature kana. Napansin niyo yung mga pine needle nagkalat dahil nga sa mahangin. Grabe. Sana humangin yung pasok ko kasi kahapon is 8 AM. Dapat doon humangin para kaya matulog pag ganito kalamig. Naka-shutdown ng mga street light dito aga. Ito matindi. Hinargahan, natakpan pati brake light. Dedikaan yan. Sa regular highway yan wala dito ang gari ito pa. Bagal-bagal ko magmaneho alas 4 na nga pala. Ayan. Alas 5 pa naman ang pasok ko pero nasanay kasi ako sa kahit anong maging trabaho ko. 1 hour before nandun na ako para iwas sa berya. Ayaw ko yung nagrarush sana eh. Diba makapag mindset ka pagdating doon na trabaho na. Trabaho na tayo. Sabi. Yung maaga tayo, may mga external factors katulad nito. Hindi ako pwede yung more than 40 ang takbo kasi ang lamig. Maganda na aga tayong pumapasok. Ewan ko ba? Sa ngayon yung ibang kabataan, ginagawa kasing normal eh. Ang binabase nila yung oras nila SM time. Dahil hindi pa daw bukas sa mall, eh hindi mo na sila babangon. Alas 9 na sila bumabangon. Ang klaseng mindset yan. Hindi sanay ang mga kabataan sa mga manual labor. At baka pag pinagbuhat mo ng semento, hindi pa hindi pa rin binababa ng city government sa mga painglaw. Tapos na ang Christmas, New Year, saka Three Kings, nandiyan pa rin. Tulog ko. Alas 4 na. Kasi kung mas maaga ako ng konti, iisipan ko pa magkape. Ang sarap pa hindi magkape ngayon sa sobrang lamig. So, pag pumunta kayo ng Baguio, dala kayong makapal na jacket. Huwag kayong nagmamarunong na naka-shorts.
don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say in the back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. You wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Or kung na lang sa day off ko pag-invite kami. Talagang kukuha dapat ako ng sunset shot eh.
I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can only take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. I'm vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been
Hindi,
through
gusto
hell,
ko magpahinga kasi galing nga kami sa
I had to do it all myself.
transition shift.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Expect na mas maraming topics na ngayon. Sana hindi ganun ka-muffled yung boses ko kasi yung aking cover ng aking external